Dear students, in this video, we shall be studying about amines, methods of preparation of amines, and physical properties of amines. Let us consider second method for the preparation of amines from alkyl halide, which is also called as Hofmann's ammonolysis. Alkyl or benzyl halide on reaction with an ethanolic solution of ammonia undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, halogen atom is replaced by an amino group. This process of cleavage of the carbon-halogen bond by ammonia molecule is known as ammonolysis. This reaction is also known as alkylation of ammonia. The reaction is carried out in a sealed tube at 373 Kelvin. The primary amine thus obtained behaves as a nucleophile and can further react with alkyl halide to form secondary and tertiary amines and finally quaternary ammonium salt. Let us consider general reaction. When ammonia molecule is reacted with alkyl halide with the removal of hydrogen halide, it forms primary amine. And when this primary amine is reacted with second molecule of alkyl halide, removal of hydrogen halide occurs, forming secondary amine. And when secondary amine is further reacted with third molecule of alkyl halide by the removal of hydrogen halide, it forms tertiary amine. And when this tertiary amine is further reacted with fourth molecule of alkyl halide, it results in quaternary ammonium salt. Let us understand this reaction with an example. When ethyl bromide or bromoethane in excess quantity is reacted with ammonia molecule in alcohol at 373 Kelvin in a sealed tube, it forms ethyl amine as a primary amine with removal of hydrogen bromide. When this primary amine, ethyl amine, is further reacted with ethyl bromide, on heating, removal of hydrogen bromide occurs, forming diethyl amine. And when diethylamine is further reacted with one more molecule of ethyl bromide, hydrogen bromide is removed, forming triethyl amine. And when this is further reacted with ethyl bromide, formation of tetraethyl ammonium bromide occurs, and this is a quaternary ammonium salt. When ethyl bromide is reacted with alcoholic ammonia in excess quantity at 373 Kelvin in a sealed copper tube, it forms ethyl amine with the removal of hydrogen bromide. If excess of ammonia is used, then primary amine is obtained as a major product. Note, first one, alkyl halide do not react with ammonia due to low reactivity towards nucleophilic substitution reactions. Second, tertiary alkyl amine can't be prepared because tertiary alkyl halide by elimination gives alkenes. Third one, the order of reactivity of halide with amines is alkyl iodide is more reactive than alkyl bromide, which is again more reactive than alkyl chloride. Third method for the formation of amines from amide by Hofmann-bromamide degradation. General formula of amides is alkyl bonded to carbonyl carbon in turn linked with NH2. Amides on treatment with bromine in an aqueous or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide gives primary amines. Let us consider general equation. When amide is reacted with bromine in aqueous sodium hydroxide, on heating it forms primary amine, sodium carbonate, sodium bromide and water. Primary amines formed contain one carbon atom less than that of amide. This can be observed by an equation. When amides are reacted, amines are obtained by the removal of the carbonyl group. This is also called degradation reaction. In this degradation reaction, migration of an alkyl or aryl group takes place from carbonyl carbon of the amides to the nitrogen atom. For example, acetamide on treatment with bromine in an aqueous solution or ethanolic solution of sodium hydroxide, let us consider reaction of acetamide with bromine in presence of aqueous or alcoholic sodium hydroxide. On heating, it forms methyl amine. In this reaction, methyl, which is bonded to carbonyl carbon, is linked to primary amine nitrogen. Let us consider second reaction. When benzamide is reacted with bromine in presence of sodium hydroxide aqueous or ethanolic solution, on heating forms benzenamine or aniline. In this case, phenyl ring, which was bonded to carbonyl carbon, is now attached to nitrogen of primary amine functional group. Let us consider fourth method for amine synthesis as Gabriel thalliamide synthesis. Structure of the thalliamide is thalliamide on treatment with ethanolic potassium hydroxide forms potassium salt of thalliamide, which on heating with alkyl halide followed by alkaline hydrolysis produces the corresponding primary amine. Let us consider reaction when thalliamide is treated with alcoholic potassium hydroxide. removal of a molecule of water occurs to form potassium salt of thalamide. This is further reacted with alkyl halide with the removal of potassium halide occurs to form N-alkyl thalamide. N-alkyl thalamide is further treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide to form sodium salt of phthalic acid and primary amine. Note, aromatic primary amine can't be prepared by this method because aryl halide do not undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction. Now let us consider physical properties of amines. Physical state of amines. The lower aliphatic amines are gaseous with fishy odor. Primary amines with 3 or more carbon atoms are liquid and still higher ones are solid. Aniline is colorless but turns yellow in color due to atmospheric oxidation. Solubility in water. Lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water because they can form hydrogen bonds with water molecules. In this diagram, you can observe hydrogen of the amine is forming hydrogen bonding with the oxygen of water molecule, whereas nitrogen of amine is forming hydrogen bond with the hydrogen atom of water molecule. The solubility decreases with increase in molar mass of amines due to increase in size of the hydrophobic alkyl part. Boiling points of amines. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding in primary amines. One amine molecule with its hydrogen forms the bonding with the nitrogen of the second amine molecule, resulting in intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Intermolecular association due to hydrogen bonding is more in primary amines than in secondary amines and tertiary amines. Tertiary amines do not have intermolecular association due to the absence of hydrogen atom. Order of boiling points of isomeric amines. Primary amines are having higher boiling point when compared to secondary amines. Secondary amines are having relatively higher boiling point when compared to tertiary amines. Boiling points of isomeric amines. Let us consider one example. In butylamine, boiling point is 350.8 Kelvin. In diethylamine, boiling point is 329.3 Kelvin. And in ethyl dimethyl amine, boiling point is 310.5 Kelvin. All these three amines are having isomeric structure. That is, molecular formula is the same, but the alkyl chains are different. In this case, primary amine, that is butylamine, has got highest boiling point when compared to secondary amine, which has got intermediate boiling point of 329.3 Kelvin and the least boiling point is for tertiary amine ethyl dimethyl amine with 310.5 Kelvin. Thank you students. Rest of the part we can continue in the next video.